In a world where parents and schools are searching for new ways to make children truly love learning, there is a growing demand for educational programs that combine curiosity, creativity, and the professions of the future. And that is exactly why more and more entrepreneurs, educators, and business owners are choosing to join Next Engineers. Because this is not just an educational program, it is a way to build a business with meaning, a business that gives children confidence, engineering thinking, and a genuine love for learning, through real hands-on experiences. But what does that actually look like in practice? What do you think will happen if we spin a cup of water quickly above our heads? At first glance, the water should spill out, but it stays inside the cup. Why does this happen? This is called centrifugal force. Its name comes from words meaning to flee from the center. When an object moves in a circle at high speed, a sensation of force pushing it outward is created. In physics, objects naturally want to continue moving in a straight line. But when something forces them to move in a circle, we experience that outward push. Now look at the swing carousel in an amusement park. The faster the carousel spins, the higher the arms rise upward. Why? Because centrifugal force pushes the seats outward during the rotation. And this is exactly the moment when our students don't just hear about this scientific principle, they build it themselves. In Next Engineers programs, children build a motorized carousel, combining motors, gears, and engineering arms, and see with their own eyes how science turns into reality. This is the wow moment. The moment when learning becomes an experience. Then we connect it to the real world. For example, to the spinning cycle inside a washing machine, which works according to the exact same physical principle. Suddenly, children begin looking at the world through the eyes of engineers. A motorized compass that teaches radius and circular motion. A wind turbine that demonstrates energy and engineering. Cranes, elevators, machines, and programming. In every lesson, children explore, build, invent, and think. And that is exactly what parents and schools are looking for today. Learning that develops real thinking, creativity, and skills for the world of tomorrow. If you are also looking to build a business with meaning, join the new world of education and create an activity with real growth potential. We invite you to discover Next Engineers. Next Engineers, turning curiosity into professionalism.